This smells so good, like the grapefruit scent. See how nice and shiny it is in there? Celebrate our shiny sink feeling. If you're looking for some great non-toxic cleaning solutions for your kitchen sink, in this video, I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite items that I purchased on Amazon that are non-toxic and actually work really well. Hi y'all, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing non-toxic and natural cleaning solutions on my YouTube channel as well as my Amazon storefront. So be sure to check out those channels, and let's dive into cleaning this dirty, disgusting sink and garbage disposal. But first, I want to say a big thank you to Active Brand. They're sponsoring this video. I really love their all-natural cleaning solutions. This is just one of many products that they offer. This is their disposal cleaner. This is a citrus scent. It includes a 1-year supply. I've been using this for quite some time now, and I found it to be very effective, and it makes cleaning my dishwasher or my dish disposal system very, very easy. They also have a dishwasher cleaner that I also use and a laundry cleaner. These are basically little pouches that all you do is you put them into your dish disposal system, you run some water, and then it foams up and actually cleans out the whole system and leaves a nice citrusy scent. So thank you, Active, for sponsoring this video. And one thing I do love about Active Brand is that they are a family-run business, which is really awesome. And I love that they have this little note in here that says, "Your support matters more than you can imagine. Sincerely, Anne." I mean, I love that, in this day and age, it's really hard to find small businesses that are actually making products that I can really use on a full-time basis. So Active Brand is definitely one of those. And a few other natural cleaning products that I really love. This is a new one I've been using called Shadazzle Natural Cleaner. This is the grapefruit scent. They also have ones in citrus and lavender and eucalyptus, but this is a multi-purpose cleaner and polish. So not only does it clean the area and help you scrub off any residue, but it also polishes, and I found it actually polishes my tiles and my counter and my kitchen sink really, really well, and the smell is really good. I have another video where I share how I polished my stovetop that was very, very caked on with a lot of sugary, sticky mess, and it worked so well. I used a steam cleaner that I really love using and this Shadazzle together, and that it worked so, so well. So today I'm going to show you how it cleans this kitchen sink area. All you do is you wet this little sponge that comes with it, then you rub it in here and you form like a little paste, and then you use that to scrub and polish. And then to sanitize, I make my own DIY cleaner. I shared another video of how I do this. Basically, I just purchased these bottles in a 4-pack and I keep them all around my house. I fill them half with vinegar and then half with water, and that's it. Being able to make my own sanitizer cleaner is such a game changer because it not only saves me money, but I can just whip up a batch anytime I need. Vinegar is really inexpensive, and having these spray bottles definitely all around the house means I actually keep up on all of my cleaning, so I don't have to run across the house just to go grab some cleaner when I want to clean like my bathroom or anything. And then lastly, I bought a pack of these chamois cloths on Amazon. It was like a 10-pack, I think. These have been a game changer too because I have so many of them. I can just keep them all around the house with the spray bottle, and then that helps me keep up on all of my cleaning, and then I just throw them in the laundry, and these have been holding up really, really well. First, let's do the Shadazzle. I'm just going to go ahead and soak that and then rub it in like a paste right here. See how it gets on the sponge? Oh, and this smells so good. Like the grapefruit scent is like really really nice. I love when things smell good when you're using them to clean so that I don't have to smell like stinky stuff, Okay, so basically, just go ahead and lather it up. Want to get all of the crevices. This is just so satisfying. If you've ever heard of, there's a YouTube lady named The Fly Lady. She's actually been sharing cleaning routines for like 30 years. She has a bunch of books that are so good, and she actually is the person who really got my butt into gear with keeping up on my homemaking routines, cleaning routines. And she has this basic motto, which is shine your sink every night before bed. So when you wake up to like a clean sink. You don't wake up to like a whole bunch of mess that you have to clean up while you're trying to get everyone ready for the day. And I just love it. It's so great. I'm going to share a link to her in the description of this video on YouTube, but I highly recommend checking out The Fly Lady. You can buy her book on Amazon. Okay. If you don't have one of these spray hoses, I highly recommend getting one. There's also like little things you can put on your faucet that are kind of like a little hose. All right, so now my sink is nice and shiny thanks to Shadazzle. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray everything down. See, this isn't taking me that long either. Like, keeping up on stuff like this, if you just do a little bit every day, it's really not that much work. And not only that, it's really satisfying to have a clean home. And I love using non-toxic products because I really don't like the smells of chemicals. I'm pretty sensitive to that kind of stuff. So being able to have all these non-toxic cleaning solutions is like so important. All right. There we go. Now, Shadazzle says to let everything dry before putting the lid on. So I just leave that on the side of my sink, and then when it's dry, I go ahead and put it away. And then when you open it up, this is what the tab looks like. These are all natural. There's no chemicals that are used, and so I can be feeling good about not bringing chemicals into my kitchen when I'm cleaning my kitchen. Okay, so I do have food in there, so let's go ahead and just run this for 1 minute to clear that out. And it's pretty gross in there, so I'm going to actually clear some of that food out as well. Ew, gross. Look how much stuff I actually pulled out of there even after I ran it for a minute. So if you haven't cleaned out your garbage disposal, clearly I haven't done this in a little while, definitely take everything out as well after you've turned off the garbage disposal. I probably need one of those little mesh things that actually catches all the food because that was a lot of food. All right, let's go ahead, and it says to turn down the water to the width of a pencil. So maybe about there. And then I'm going to move this to the other sink. And then let's go ahead and put our tablet into the garbage disposal. And then we'll turn it on. All right. And then we're going to let it run for 1 minute. And it kind of like turns into like a paste. It smells good with the citrus scent. All right, and it's been a minute. We don't have any foam, and that's okay. It says that's not a problem. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some water in there and then rinse it out. And there we go. Nice and clean. It's so nice to have a little tablet that I can just put in there that'll handle all that for me. Wow, look at that. Nice and clean on the inside. There's still just a little bit of food, but see how nice and shiny it is in there? Oh my gosh, it's so relieving. All right, I'm just going to put this back in. Let's rinse out our sink and let's celebrate our shiny sink feeling. Thank you so much to Active for sponsoring this video. And I'm looking forward to hopefully getting some products from Shadazzle too. They're also going to be partnering with me. I'm so excited to have all these great partners to share with you all kinds of great products that I actually use to take care of my family and my home. So thanks for joining me today. I hope that this inspired you to go clean your sink. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.